If you want to create the presentation of your diagrams very interesting, then what you can also do is enable out the animation plugin so that you can apply animation onto your diagrams. So to do that, first of all, you need to enable the animation plugin, and for that you need to go under the extras menu, and once you do that, you need to go to plugins. So right now I have the plugin enabled, and that's why you see animation, but you don't see that by default. So what you need to do is go to plugins right here, and you'll see all the list of plugins that you have enabled. In my case, I don't see anything. That is because the animation, besides animation, nothing else is applied. Then over here, you can see animation is already applied, so you can see this. So in order to enable animation, if you haven't done it, you need to click on the add button, and under the built-in plugins, you need to select anim right here, press OK, and once you do that, you can click on apply. Then it'll say that you have to restart the application in order for the plugin to be active. So you need to refresh your page in case you're using the web version, and in case you're using the desktop version, you need to go around and then restart the application. Well, let me just go around and press cancel. That is because in my case, I have already enabled out the plugin right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a simple shape and type in start right here, and this is going to be so I'm just going to go around and say execute right here, just like this, and I'm just going to go around over here and say end right here, just like this. Let me just go around and choose some colors for them as well, just like this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to apply animations to them. Let me just zoom around right here so that we can see this out as well. So to apply animations to them, we can go around onto extras, and like I said, the animation plugin in my case is active now, so I can click on it, and this is what you have, as you can see. Let me just go around and erase out whatever that I have right here, and now I'm going to select out the first shape that I have right here and click in fade in. So you can see that for this first shape, the fade in is applied. You can go around over here, add and fade into this one, click on this, add into fade into this one as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. So if I were to go around and click on preview, now you can see how it actually looks. You can erase out the code right here. So for the code, what happens is that you got the show for the shape 4 right here. So this is named as shape 4, and this is fading in the time of 1000 right here. If I were to type in 500, and for this one, if I were to make in 2000, and for this, if I were to make it 4000, then the timing differs as well. If I were to click on preview, then you can see that this is slow, and then slowly like my other shapes appear right over here. I can erase this out and select the shape, and let's say I want to add in a wipe in over here, and then I'm going to add in a wipe in and a fade in right here. Then similarly, what happens is that if I were to click on preview, similar animations pop up right here. So there's 2 wipe in for these 2 shapes right here, and then 1 fade for this shape right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the animation plugin. And if I were to click on apply, then the animation will be applied over here as well. And that is how you can utilize the animation plugin inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.